over here somewhere. Actually, it was right here. I don't see any right now. Yeah.
Oh, it's slippery. It's really slippery.
Yeah, this is all stagnant right here, so you get leach mass and rotting. Yep.
So
right
what do you...
there's the only spot, so don't go in that. It is sick. But there's fish.
All right, let's see what's over here. Oh, holy cow. This is incredible. All right, about to see a new area. Where are we going now, Pete?
We're going down.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Just carrying my sandals here as I walk with bare feet.
Keep driving through it. Right, no, I know. Yeah, they just get the edge.
Remember my grounding video? That's what we're doing right now.
Grounding.
Grounding, dude, or earthing.
Good for your psyche.
It is. It's good for everything, dude. I made a whole video on it. You guys should watch it.
For psyche. You really?
Yeah, this is my second video on my channel.
I made a while ago.
Yeah, I made it almost a year ago.
It's not yoga, it's just walking. Oh,
Yeah.
It's just like being kids.
Oh.
No, it's literally just walking barefoot.
These sharp rocks hurt. This is glass. I'm putting these on.
No, like, there's no ritual. No. Nope. There's no burning things. No homemade from.
Alright, here's where we go to get all the way down to the bottom.
I have not gone down there, but I've gone up there. Up was easy. Down I don't know. Careful, some of these are short. The rocks themselves. Well, the small, yeah, the gravel. The rocks don't hurt. The gravel's
Once you get like your feet conditioned to stepping on rocks and whatnot.
Mine aren't, and I had no problem.
Oh.
That's good.
Well, I'm gonna take my sandals off again then. Carry them with me.
You're better off taking them off. That alternative.
This is how the Indians would have come down here, right?
Yeah, dude. You know what's crazy? And my native blood doesn't start boiling as a rage, but instinctively, whenever I hit a rock, my toes wrap around it. I don't know why. Like, I don't do it, it just happens. Well, it's probably like...
It's like gravity of your foot coming down and pressing.
Really brings up being able to actually feel it. Wait, Peter, you're native American? Why do you think I tan and don't burn? I burn once and then I tan.
Why do I tan?
And then when this is in the sun, you'll see the red tint in it.
Oh, check this out, eh?
I never knew that. Yeah, this is the one cave I was talking about. It's really
Sweet.
nasty in there, though.
Okay.
Nice.
Well, I think we can probably see it pretty good from here.
There's a different one that's deeper that's nasty.
Oh.
This one's, yeah, they're really moist.
I'll put these on. Walk on this mud.
Just watch out, I'll show you it. The poison ivy looks different here.
So I wonder what's in there. Looks like an animal hole. There's probably critters in there. At least at some point of the year. Alright.
This is Virginia Creeper right here. We're only like a third of the way down, not even. I've been trying to get out down this drunk.
That would That would lead to injury, I bet.
It might not be that bad, actually.
Be fun.
Because the ground itself is kind of drunk right now. The ground's drunk. But two wrongs don't make a right.
That's right. Still going to heck.
Yep. That is fact. I've proven that false though, Jake. Remember when I was driving drunk in the snow?
No. Wait. I think so.
Normally you're all over the place in the snow, and you're also all over the place when you're drunk. So when I was drunk in the snow, literally perfectly straight line. I went back the next day and looked at my tracks.
What?
Yeah. Dude, it was so weird. It counteracted.
Okay, can anybody confirm that?
That's such a Peter story. No, that's the one that I went.
Sweet. Nasty in there. It looks freaking cool though. Okay.
That is.
So don't touch.
That is. And then see down past where those people are, all that green stuff on the edge there. That's
all poison ivy?
Poison ivy, yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah, she wanted
No shoes.
I make tea out of it. She wanted a picture up there. And it's
Do people actually make poison ivy tea?
Oh, I bet.
Doesn't sound good.
Probably boil all the poison out.
Oh, perhaps. Hey, what's the holdup down here?
She's being slow.
You guys can also go down this way as well.
No, don't go that way.
This way looks better.
This way, exactly. How about that balance?
You guys are doing great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, no, you're fine.
It changes color. It's darker. That's true. So then down here there's a lot of it too.
Look at that, dude. Amazing.
Unless it takes a picture too. Where's Tyler?
Behind me, getting slow.
Oh, I can't tell it.
There's a picture.
I took that thing. See why I don't trust that rock up there that we brought? It's not much money. That sucks.
Oh, somebody slipped here before.
Yep, remember it. That's why you don't wear shoes.
Yeah. Imagine wearing shoes
Slide down
going
and
hiking.
yourself on this rock right here.
Slide down.
Whoa, stepped on
The rock. Oops, my bad. Yep, people have definitely been slipping. You gotta get that grip on your foot. Just grip it. It's great.
All right, Jake's getting a girlfriend.
Now?
Yeah. Where?
So looking like this?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I look like right now. It's not good.
I have eyes. I see what you look like. You're looking
right
great, dude. You look like an explorer. Yeah, explorer.
Yep, that's a really attractive. Kylie, do you think I'm gonna get any girlfriends with this hairstyle?
No.
Probably not.
I'm giving you the honest opinion.
I appreciate your honesty, Kylie.
Maybe you're different down here. Different.
I mean, unless you find a girl that is into also videotaping and shit like that, then maybe.
What do we want to do?
All right, boys.
Or we can go around the back.
Go around the back.
Let's hike around so we're like right underneath that.
Right here.
This way. Pete, you think this is going to be a good YouTube video? Will you watch it on my channel? Oh, hey, bonfire.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh my god,
Look at the way the rock formation is supposed to start off the wall, coming around this way. Like down
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's awesome.
I'll break the piece off. I feel like
That's just absolutely amazing right now. Look at that view.
You keep the GoPro on.
Yeah.
The waterfall. Look up
Yeah.
the waterfall. Just make sure you actually close your eyes.
Right. All right, here, let me put my phone here in your shoe. Hope it doesn't stink later.
It will.
That's okay. It won't smell any worse than my shoes. All right, here we go. Went under the waterfall. It's gonna be sweet. All right, they're starting to get slippery now, so I gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Oh boy, that was awesome. Just went under the waterfall. That was great. Was it a good show, guys? Was it a good show? Oh yeah. That waterfall comes down hard, but oh, totally worth it. Awesome. I'm not too soaked. Not too bad.
Let's get at it. It'd be kind of a vibe if you lived around here and come out here and just chill.